going to try to video the drive through the Seneca Lake compound place. See what I can, what we'll see. I'm just curious if Seneca Lake is still around or if it dried up. Maybe that's why this closed down. Oh, look, let's go down there. Nope, can't go that way. But I see covered stuff down there. We'll see if there's any water. There's a campground to the right. I didn't see any no trespassing signs anywhere. So let's go this way. Oh, and they had RV hookups. I see electrical stuff here. Yeah, they had RV hookups here. Water. Electric and water. Yes, they sure did. This was a big campground RV resort. Wow. Oh, there is water down here. So I'm gonna back up, go down here. In the bathrooms. Look at these. Sorry about it getting crooked, but I went through some bumpy stuff and it might fall over. Oh, yeah. What? Alright. Look it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's the lake. That's lake down there. All right. Have a great day, because you know you can. I hope you enjoyed the little ride. Peace. Okay, guys. This is where I woke up this morning. Yesterday I filmed the abandoned RV resort. And that's where I slept. This is where I woke up this morning. And yeah, beautiful. Beautiful lake. This is a small part of the lake where the boat ramp is. This is a totally abandoned resort. Completely abandoned. Had all to myself. I will be back. I will be back. Check it out. Boat ramp over there, floating dock over there. And this is the small side of the lake. This is a little off stream. The main side is over there on the other side of that little peninsula. Anyway, just want to share this with you. I'll put this with the drive. And yeah, that's where I woke up this morning. This is the life. Love it. Have a great day, because you know you can. Explore everything. Peace.